Hello, Team BFF! Ayan, birthday ng isa nating kasamahan. Si Susie Kalutan. Susie Kalutan. Sisi Koy, happy birthday sa iyo. And hope na maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. At ang wish ko lang is more birthdays to come and more cakes to slice, more candles to blow, and God bless you, Sisi Koy. And stay how you are. Kung paano ka namin nakilala, stay as it is. Okay, Sisi Koy? And ayan, kantahan kita ng happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang lutuin, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Ayan, Sisikoy. Again, happy birthday sa'yo. And God bless you, Sisikoy. And good health. Iyan. So, bye-bye, Sisikoy. Mwah, love you.
Hi, Sisikoy. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best comes true. I'm outside. I'm walking. Uwi na ako sa bahay. Happy birthday. We love you. Always support to you. And more blessing to come. Ayan. Ingat-ingat lagi sa pangumulot ng mga basura sa labas. Ayan. Happy birthday. Love you. It's not this.
Happy birthday, Susie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi, Sisi Susie! Happy birthday! May the Lord Jesus bless you and granted all your wishes to your life. Happy birthday again, Sisi Koy! Mwah, chup chup! Love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Love you!
Ngayong araw na to, ang iyong kaarawan. So, si Mix Vlog, ang aking kapatid. Nais kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan at marami pa sanang birthday dumating sa buhay mo. At sana wag ka magbabago, love ka ni ate. Kahit minsan magalit ako sa'yo, pero okay lang yun kasi ate mo naman ako. Hindi. Love kita kaya kita pinagsasabihan. Okay? Love you. Happy birthday. Pang birthdays to ka. And that's bunga.
Happy birthday. Para sa'yo to, Susie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Susie. I love you. Tarara, tarara. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Wish ko lang more birthday to come. Happy
Hello! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance to all of you. Salamat sa lahat ng nagpunta sa aking live and happy birthday to me. Thank you so much, guys, sa walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Nagpapasalamat ako ng napakarami sa Team BB, sa aming founder, Admin Criselda Whitey, Admin Maribel Mix Vlog, Admin Sergel Official, Admin Sadik, Admin Dong Sadik. Hindi ko alam kung pikasa yung pronounce sa mo. Admin Bauna Vlog, Admin Susan Mix Vlog, Admin Losi Shusun Vlog, Admin Kulats TV, Admin Liberties Mundo, sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Special mention to Admin Burnable Vlogs. Thank you, Sir Admin. And to Admin Crystal Dawaiti, thank you, Ma'am Admin, sa pagpa-member sa aking channel. And Yejin, thank you. And Biking Sari, maraming salamat din sa pagpa-member sa aking channel. Thank you so much sa inyong support sa aking channel, Susie Mix Vlog. Thank you. Again, Love you all and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everyone. Mama, bye-bye. I love you. Thank you so much. Million thanks.